Boy, whole place fuck up. Nah, yeah. Traffic up on the road everywhere, dog. Whole place fuck up, dog. Traffic. Trailer tear down the whole bumbuckler place, dog. You know, here. See, trailer tear down the whole place up there, so the dog. Me pussy clot. You know, here. Could a dog cement truck, you know, bro? Bumbuckler, could a man. All the bar. Watch out. Bar lick off, dog. Then I the road when this happened last night, you know?
This morning that man, last night that man.
Then the morning no light out yet, so you have it. Shandel, look here. Imagine if you were in a shop, could you? The cement truck, dog. Tear down the whole place, you know? Me rascal, I didn't even know it's a Shandel over there, so. Yes, the whole place black up. Could you?
Suppose Shandel were in a
And that me I say, and I hold it Thursday, I'm going to do me here. I hold it Thursday, I'm going to do me here to blood clean. I can't believe, look at man and deal with my chicken and chips place and me here just a place. Could you, man? Tear down the whole I man fence, you know, dog. Tear down the whole I man business place, you know. Boy, Carib cement, you have one bag of money for go pay no Carib. May I tell you, car right now, Carib cement, the whole place black up, could you? In a man, in a down in my place in a prairie. Terrible accident. Jaja, could everything have your detour, dog. Over Dudley, me I show you in a killer. Could you? Could you, man? Bumbuckler, dog, could you? Engine done, chassis done, every blood clot thing you have done. You have to skill for car back this. Not tell me nothing about bumbuckler. You know, here. I will be lost. Right now, I have some cement I'm selling. And I sell it cheap, could you? I will be lost. See there? Who will be lost? See, all of my place black up here. I will be lost. And now here, dog. Could you, man? See it there? See the sticker them there?
After everything, then I move on.
See, in I chuck there. When you look in I.
That's yours.
And now here.
I'll drive, I'm going to drive, alright.
What do you? I don't know what do you.